In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play videos in Google Meet, an essential tool for making your online meetings and presentations more engaging. Whether it's an instructional clip, a promotional video, or even something entertaining, being able to seamlessly share videos during a Google Meet session can make a huge difference in how your content is received. So let's dive into the easy steps to get you started. First, navigate to the Google Calendar, which is your starting point for scheduling and joining meetings in Google Meet. Once you've opened the Google Calendar, locate the event you're scheduled to attend or host. You'll find the option to join the meeting using Google Meet right there within the event details. Simply click on the Join with Google Meet link to proceed to the virtual meeting room. After you've clicked on the link, you'll be taken to a page where you can check your microphone and camera settings before entering the meeting. Once you're all set, click on Join Now to enter the meeting. You're now inside the Google Meet session, and it's time to prepare for sharing your video. To share a video, you'll need to share your screen. Look for the option labeled Share Screen, which is typically represented by an icon of a screen with an arrow pointing upwards. Clicking this will open up a few options on what you want to share. For the best video sharing experience, you should share a specific Chrome tab. This option ensures that the audio of the video is shared directly, which is crucial for your audience to hear everything clearly. Select Share a Chrome tab, and a list of your open tabs will appear. Find the tab where your video is ready to play and click on it. This not only isolates the video tab for sharing, but also optimizes the audio quality shared over the call. After selecting the tab, ensure that the Share Tab Audio option is ticked to share the sound of the video with others in the meeting, then click on Share. Once your video tab is successfully being shared, go ahead and play the video. Make sure the video is appropriately loaded and buffered to prevent any lag or disruptions during playback. It's always a good idea to have the video quality set to a level that matches your internet bandwidth, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. During playback, monitor the participants' reactions to ensure they can see and hear the video properly. This guarantees that your content is being received as intended. And there you have it, simple and effective steps to play videos in a Google Meet session. By following these directions, you can make your presentations or meetings more dynamic and impactful, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.